Okay, so here we see that Ms. Washburn and Ms. Sparks had the task of solving the expression 5, open parentheses, 10 plus 2, close parentheses. First thing we need to notice is that anytime you don't see an operation in between a number and the parentheses, you can automatically assume that you are multiplying. So to make things easier for myself, I'm just going to add that multiplication sign there. Our task here is to look at both of their work and decide who is correct. So the first thing we are going to do is look at Ms. Sparks' work. I can see that the first thing Ms. Sparks did was solve what's inside of the parentheses. So first she did 10 plus 2, she got 12, and then she brought everything down. So now she has 5 times 12. When she multiplied 5 and 12, she got 60. So 60 here is her final answer. So I know that Ms. Sparks is correct. I know that she used order of operations to solve. So I'm just going to add a note to myself and quickly explain why her work is correct. Okay. So now we're going to take a look at Ms. Washburn's work. Again, we have 5 times, open parentheses, 10 plus 2, close parentheses. I can see here that unlike Ms. Sparks, Ms. Washburn used a distributive property to solve this expression. She did this by distributing the factor 5 to each member of the group. So here we see that in our group here, in the parentheses, we have 10 plus 2. So she distributed 5 to the 10 and to the 2. And that is how she got 5 times 10 plus 10 times 2. After Miss Washburn did 5 plus 10 plus 10 times 2, she multiplied each group, so she got 50 plus 10, and she added, so that got her 60. I can see here that Ms. Washburn's work is also correct. However, instead of using order of operations like we've been using these last couple weeks, Ms. Washburn used a distributive property. Ms. Washburn and Ms. Sparks are both correct. You can use either of these methods to simplify an expression when what's inside of your group, so inside of your parentheses, when you have addition or subtraction.